if a line intersect given two or more lines in respective distinct points. So what is meant by the respective? That if line intersect two lines, okay, so the points will be two distinct points, different points. If the line intersect three or more than 3 lines or 4 lines, so it will intersect 3 points or 4 points, then that line is called as a transversal. Okay, so here I have drawn two type of figures. One, in this figure, line L and line M, which is intersected by the line N. Okay, so here line N, it intersects L and M line. So that's why line N is called as the transversal. Line N is the transversal. Okay, so in second figure, if you will see P, Q, R, these are the three lines. And in that horizontally line S is intersected. So in the second figure, line S is the transversal. Line S is the transversal. So it means in the line vertical transversal, it may be a vertically or may be horizontally. It doesn't matter. So lines will be parallel, will not be the parallel. It doesn't matter. But two or more lines intersect by the single line, then that single line is called as a transversal. Okay. So next, as I told that in grade 7 you have studied about the intersection of two lines. So it makes 4 angles. And you have studied one type of angle, that is a vertical type, vertically opposite angles. Yes. So in this point we are going to discuss that when the two lines are intersected by one line, then how many angle gets forms. So if you will see, I have counted here, I have given the names A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here we got total 8 angles which are formed. Yes. So here my sentence is, when two lines intersect by transversal, then it makes 8 angles. Yes. So angles made by the transversal are how many? Total 8 angles. Okay. So these angles are grouped into different pairs of angles. So this is categorized into 3 types. Okay. So first one is a corresponding angle, second one is an interior angle, and third one is a alternate angles. Okay. So for this, first we will see corresponding angle. So what is meant by the corresponding angles? So if you will see in this figure, the lines which are either on the above lines or either on the below lines on one side of a transversal, that are called as a corresponding angle. Suppose for example angle A, it is above the lines and its a pair will be angle E. हे दोन अँगल काय आहेत? लाईन सपोज ही लाईन L आहे आणि ही लाईन M आहे आणि लाईन N इज युअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल असेल, तर N लाईनच्या लेफ्ट हँड साईडला A आणि E हे दोन पॉइंट्स आहेत. So this is the pair of corresponding angle. Similarly, right hand side ला काय येणार? B आणि F येणार. हे झाले लाईन M लाईनच्या आणि L लाईनच्या वरची. तसंच लाईनच्या खालच्या बाजूचे पण अँगल C ला अँगल करस्पॉन्डिंग कुठला येणार? G येणार आणि अँगल D ला करस्पॉन्डिंग येणार अँगल H. So that's why here we got there are 4 pairs of corresponding angles. So which are that? Angle A and angle E, angle B and angle F, angle C and angle G, angle D and angle H. So these are the 4 corresponding pairs of corresponding angles. Okay. So next point we will see the interior angles. What is the meaning of interior angles? Interior angles means the angles which are between the line L and line M. So in between this area, which angles are there? that angles are called as interior angles. So that pair we will consider on one side. So if you will see angle C and angle F, this is a one pair of interior angle, and angle D and angle E, this is another pair of interior angle. So here only we got two pairs of interior angles. Angle C and angle F, angle D and angle E. Next, alternate angles. Okay, so similarly alternate angles, it has two types of alternate angles. One, that part we have seen here, it is interior angles part, and AB and HG, this is the exterior part. So according to that, it forms two types of alternate angles. One is alternate interior angle, and another is alternate exterior angle. So alternate exterior angle, we are not going to pay attention more on that. We are going to pay attention only on alternate interior angles. So if I will say that alternate interior angles, which are that is angle C and angle E. This is the one pair. Angle F and angle D, this is the another pair of alternate interior angle. So there are only two pairs of alternate interior angles, angle C and angle E, angle D and angle F. Okay, so next, that is alternate exterior angle. So which are the alternate exterior angles? That is angle A and angle G. This is one pair, and angle B and angle H, this is the another pair. So these are the two pairs which are that alternate exterior angles, angle A and angle G, angle B and angle H. Okay, so this is the first point of your chapter number 2, parallel lines and transversal. So according to this, there is a one practice set, that is first practice set 2.1, that you have to solve it. Okay, I am showing you once again so you can copy it very properly. You can pause the video and write it down. So these are the notes. Okay, thank you.